How to fix TikTok draft video problem. So if you are facing any kind of problem regarding your draft video, then don't worry, today in this video I will be showing you how can you fix that problem. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update from us. Now let's get started. So once you're in the home page like this, you'll be able to explore to various TikTok videos over here. So in order to find your draft, you can tap on your profile at the right bottom corner, and you'll be able to see your profile as well as all of your draft video that you have saved over here. So you can simply tap on there and it will be opened up on your screen. As a further process, you can go for next. But if you are unable to post this draft video, then that might be due to various reasons. So the first thing is you don't have a stable network connection. For that, you have to check whether you are connected to strong Wi-Fi, or if you are using cellular data, then you have to check whether your cellular data is strong or not. And the second reason is your phone may need refreshment or something like that. So for that, you can try restarting your device. For that, you can go back to your home page and you can press on your power button and you can restart your device. And after restarting, your phone will be refreshed and you can once again go back to your TikTok application and open up the draft. And if you try to post, then it will be easily posted. So by these two fixes, you can solve your problem. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.